In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paper size before printing. If you've ever tried to print a document and noticed that the layout looks off, or the content doesn't match the paper you are using, changing the paper size before printing can solve that quickly. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how professional and clean your final printout looks. To get started, open the document you want to print. Once it's on your screen, open the Print menu by pressing Ctrl and P on a Windows computer, or Command and P on a Mac. This keyboard shortcut is usually the fastest way to access print settings, and it works in most programs, including word processors, PDFs, and many web browsers. When the print window appears, take a moment to look through the available options, depending on the app you are using and the printer you have connected. The wording may be slightly different. Look for a button labeled Page Setup, Properties, or Printer Properties. These options usually open a more detailed menu where you can control things like paper settings, orientation, and print quality. After opening that section, find the setting called Paper Size or Media Type. In some printers, this may appear as a drop-down menu, while in others, it may be listed under Advanced Print Settings. This is the option that tells the printer what size paper you want to use. It's important to match this setting to the actual paper loaded in your printer, whether that's letter, A4, legal, or another supported size. Now select the paper size you want. For example, if you are printing on standard paper in the United States, you might choose letter. If you are in a region that uses international sizing, the 4th of may be the correct option. If you are printing a longer document or a form, legal could be the better fit. Choosing the correct size helps prevent cropping, scaling issues, and unnecessary formatting problems. Once you've selected the right paper size, review the preview if one is available. This can help you confirm that everything looks correct before using paper and ink. When you are ready, click Print to complete the process. That's all it takes to change the paper size before printing. It only takes a few seconds and it can help ensure your document prints exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching.